So it seems, everyone, that hey everyone. Well, Louie and Ollie are getting a new toy today. So we just went ahead and cleaned their cage out, put some fresh food in there, and gonna put some water in there. And I thought I would put this new toy. So it's just wood. They really seem to go for the wood. I had a toy similar to this, only it was smaller scale. And yeah, they loved it. So let's give this a try. Let's put it in, see if they like it. Okay, so there it is. Of course, you know, I put something new in, so they're like, what is it? Right, guys? But yeah, we'll just we'll see how they act the next couple of days, and I'll video it. And oh, hey guys, yeah, when anything's new in here, they get all antsy. But yeah, you can see how they really love the wood. This right here, they've been really chewing at that. So I'm sure they're gonna love it. All right, I'll be back. They like this toy, especially, watch Ollie. She tries to grab it with her. There, she got it. She's like, I gotta keep it steady so I can chew on it. Yeah, she loves that. So this toy is a keeper, and it is a big thumbs up from the birds. Right, Ollie? So hey, if you like this kind of video, you know what to do. Subscribe, please. And we will talk to you later. Be kind to animals. And we'll talk soon. Right, Ollie? Right, Lulu? Are you preening? All right, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye now.